lost control in your name. No, no, please, I keep playing with the reason that your fingers only pointing the blame.